Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains what the Weber iGrill app is and how it's positioned. According to the official App Store and Google Play descriptions, the Weber iGrill app is a companion platform designed to connect with Weber iGrill smart thermometer devices and certain Weber grills. The official listing explains that the app connects to compatible thermometers through Bluetooth so users can monitor cooking temperatures from their mobile device. This video is an informational overview based on publicly available descriptions. It does not guarantee app performance or user satisfaction, which can vary based on individual experience and updates. Based on official documentation from Weber, the app belongs to the smart grilling and cooking thermometer category and is mainly intended for owners of compatible Weber iGrill devices. The official description states that the app allows users to monitor internal food temperatures and grill temperatures in real time using connected probes. Another documented feature is a preset temperature library for various types of meat and fish so users can select recommended cooking targets. According to the store listing, users can also create custom temperature settings and receive alerts when the target temperature is reached. The app also includes time and temperature graphing tools that show how temperatures change during a cooking session. Another documented capability is the ability to set multiple timers and manage several probes at once when using compatible thermometers. Official information also notes that the app can export temperature graph data and provide access to manuals or setup guides directly inside the interface. For users interested in tracking grill temperatures and receiving cooking alerts through a connected thermometer system, this could be an option. This app may be useful for people who own compatible Weber iGrill thermometers and want remote monitoring while grilling. Whether this app is worth using depends on individual needs and preferences. If you found this video helpful, feel free to drop a like. And comment down below if you have any additional information on this app or notice anything missing or outdated.